Hedging and boosting are two strategies commonly used in academic writing to convey certainty or uncertainty about information, support claims, and maintain a balanced and persuasive tone. They are important because they help writers engage with their readers by providing a nuanced understanding of the research and arguments presented. Here's a detailed explanation of hedging and boosting and how to use them effectively in your academic writing. Hedging. Definition. Hedging involves expressing uncertainty or caution in your writing. It allows you to acknowledge potential limitations, alternative interpretations, or the possibility of exceptions to your claims. Importance. Hedging is important in academic writing because it demonstrates a critical and reflective approach to your research. It shows that you have considered different perspectives and are not making absolute claims. Examples of hedging. Using modal verbs like may, might, could, or can to indicate possibility or probability. For example, this method may lead to more accurate results. Using adverbs like possibly, potentially, or likely. For example, these findings are potentially significant. Acknowledging limitations or uncertainties. For example, it is important to note that this study has some limitations. Referencing other scholars' opinions. For example, Smith, 2010, argued that the results could be interpreted differently. How to use hedging effectively. Be judicious in your use of hedging. Too much can weaken your argument, while too little can make you appear overly confident. Use hedging when discussing speculative findings, controversial topics, or areas where research is ongoing. Always provide evidence or reasoning to support your hedged statements. Boosting. Definition. Boosting involves strengthening the certainty or impact of your statements. It is used to make your claims and arguments more persuasive and convincing. Importance. Boosting is important because it helps you assert your ideas confidently and persuade your readers of the validity of your research and arguments. Examples of boosting. Using strong verbs and adjectives to emphasize. For example, this theory significantly advances our understanding of the phenomenon. Providing strong empirical evidence or examples to support your claims. For example, a large-scale survey with a sample size of 10,000 respondents consistently showed. Citing authoritative sources or experts in the field to bolster your argument. For example, according to Nobel laureate Smith, this theory has revolutionized the way we think about. How to use boosting effectively. Ensure that your boosting statements are backed by robust evidence, data, or expert opinions. Be cautious not to overstate your claims or exaggerate the significance of your findings. Use boosting strategically in key parts of your paper, such as the thesis statement, main arguments, and conclusions. In summary, hedging and boosting are essential techniques in academic writing. Hedging allows you to acknowledge uncertainty and maintain a balanced tone, while boosting helps you present your ideas with confidence and persuasiveness. Effective use of these strategies depends on context, so carefully consider when and how to employ them to enhance the quality of your academic writing and engage your readers effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel, if you like the video and wish to see similar ones in future. Thanks for watching. Created by Sasanka De Silva for the King's Exploits channel.